When you start logging into Splashtop to access your AutoCAD, you might see this GoGuardian app, and this GoGuardian app has some conflicts with Google Drive, but you can just ignore this for the meantime. And then on your search bar, you will type Drive, and we are looking for Google Drive app, and then you can simply click Open. When it opens, it'll ask you what you want to do. So we're going to click Get Started, and we're going to sign in. And we are going to sign in using our Edge browser. So it will not open up the Chrome browser. This is the Edge browser, and it'll ask you for several questions first. So here, do you want to sync in your data or start with without your data? We're just going to start without our data. And then do you want to allow uh, up-to-date browsing data? So we're just going to click Don't Allow and confirm and continue. And then simply confirm and start browsing. And then now you can start logging in and signing in to your Google Drive. When you successfully log in, you just click sign in and you will see this message says success. You are now sent to Google Drive. And on this lower right portion of your screen, there's going to be a little pointed arrow here. So simply click on that one and you should see Google Drive running here on the background. When you click on that one, you will see that your Google Drive is finished signing up. And this is where the problem with GoGuardian might appear. You might forever wait for this one to finish because there's some conflicts currently going on. So this might not work for some people. Some people or some students won't have this problem. Unfortunately, I myself am having trouble with signing up with Google Drive or connecting it with Google Drive. If this happens to you and you can't sign in, you don't need to go back. You can just close this for the meantime. And then we're just going to quit. And let's check again our Google Drive here in the corner. And you'll see that the Google Drive is not running anymore. Okay. So we can repeat that process and type in Drive and then run it. And then once you run it again, it will, on the background, run Google Drive. You can check over here if it's running, and you will see that it's running here. But just the same, when you click on it, you will see that your name might be grayed out over here. That means that your Google Drive is having some conflicts. Okay, so we can't use Google Drive in this case. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the manual method of working with our drawings. So you simply close your Edge browser and start your AutoCAD. And when you start your AutoCAD, if this is the first time you're starting it, you might need to sign up or sign in with the school email and password. So in the privacy setting, just click OK. And if you haven't signed in yet, you have to click the sign in over here. In this case, I already signed in before, so it should say SES ACAD. So we're just going to click close here if there's something that pops up. And you're going to just draw here normally with whatever you want to draw. But in which case that you have this dashboard up on your screen, okay, what you will do here is you will click Start New Drawing, so you can start new drawing and start drawing your exercise. And then after that, we are going to save it. Once you have finished your drawing, or while you're working in between and you haven't finished it yet, and you want to save it, so when you want to save your drawing, you simply click on this A symbol here. When you click that, you will pull it down until it says Save As, and you click on that one. And then what you wanted to do is you want to pull and select documents from this location. So right now you're in the desktop and you wanted to go to your documents and the documents will be over here. So documents, and double click on that one. And you will type in the name of your drawing. So this is drawing number 9. Okay, so I'll simply click drawing 9 and then click save. Okay, and that's it. You've saved it already. The name of the drawing is here on this tab. It says drawing 9, and you're ready to upload this drawing 9 to your Google Drive. Just like I said before, your file or this drawing, which you save as drawing 9, should be on your documents folder. So we can look for it under the Windows file folder and simply go to documents, and you should see your drawing 9 there. And what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our Chrome browser, go to our My Drive, and then double click your ninth grade engineering folder. And then while this file folder is open, we're simply going to upload our drawing 9 and drag and drop it to the ninth grade engineering folder, and it should now be uploaded there, and it's already backed up. So this is the manual method of uploading your drawing from your documents folder to your My Drive ninth grade engineering folder.